This rare writing cabinet from the 1960s is the perfect example of a room within a room, a compact yet highly functional workspace. Crafted with a walnut veneer body, it features two cupboard doors that seamlessly transform into a spacious 116 by 65 centimeter desktop. Inside, you'll find 4 internal drawers, multiple compartments, and 4 shelves, all designed to keep your workspace organized. To top it off, a pull-out lamp ensures optimal lighting, while the black square steel frame adds a sleek, mid-century modern touch. Next up is this ingenious sliding door from Hagalo & Casa. A mirror, a door, and a hidden storage unit all in one. Behind its exterior lie concealed compartments, ideal for keeping shoes and other daily essentials neatly tucked away. With its smooth sliding mechanism, this piece effortlessly combines style and practicality, making it a brilliant space-saving solution. The strong, egg-shaped shelf by pappmoebel offers versatile placement options. It can stand against the wall or be positioned freely in the room when paired with its other half, creating a striking, unique storage solution. This amazing table by G Home is a 2-in-1 piece, serving as both a functional table and a game board. The game board slides seamlessly in and out from the table, making it an efficient space-saving solution. Not only is it practical, but its modern, fashionable design adds a nice touch to any room. Speaking of 2-in-1 designs, they also offer this amazing cabinet that cleverly hides both a desk and a bed inside, perfect for college students. The cubed 140 wood sofa bed by Innovation Living is a cozy, multifunctional piece designed for modern living spaces. With its compact design, this sofa easily transforms into a comfortable bed, making it perfect for small apartments or guest rooms. The elegant wooden legs add a warm, Nordic touch, while the high-quality granite fabric enhances its durability and style. Equipped with a user-friendly folding mechanism, the 140 ensures a smooth transition from sofa to bed in seconds. They also offer this amazing cozy chair that smoothly transforms into a mattress in seconds. As for the Avor sofa bed, it's just as impressive as the cubed 140, effortlessly transitioning from a sleek sofa to a comfortable bed, making it perfect for modern living spaces. The Kitchoo K9 collection is an elegant and functional mini-kitchen designed for compact living spaces. Crafted with high-quality materials like scratch-resistant laminate, this kitchen offers customizable aesthetics with over 500 color options. It features integrated appliances, smart storage solutions, and innovative concealment options that help save space while maintaining a clean, modern look. HWB hidden wall beds offer a range of stylish and functional solutions that seamlessly fold into attractive wall units. Customizable to fit any home layout, size, and decor, these units include features like a sturdy wall desk, a cozy king-sized bed, ample hidden storage compartments, ambient lighting, and shelves. Known for their first-grade quality and reasonable pricing, HWB has been a trusted name in the industry since 2009, earning a strong reputation for delivering exceptional products. Would you consider having this unit in your bedroom? Let us know in the comment section. The Hettich Group is one of the world's leading manufacturers of furniture fittings, known for their innovative and high-quality solutions. Their kitchen counters feature sectioned drawers with smooth sliding panels, providing a sleek and efficient way to organize your kitchen essentials. Additionally, Hettich offers amazing shelving systems that maximize storage space while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The organizer drawers are incredibly versatile and are also designed to serve in basin applications. Built with a towel roll holder, these drawers add functionality to your bathroom. The central drawer is larger, made from sleek silver material, and features a cutout in the middle, perfectly suited for the waste system of the basin. Casa Adapt specializes in custom-made furniture tailored to each customer's specifications. From bedrooms and wardrobes to bookshelves and walk-in closets, they offer high-quality solutions to fit any space. One standout piece is their sliding wardrobe, which features a smooth, seamless sliding mechanism, ensuring effortless use. Additionally, they offer sliding shoe organizers that provide efficient storage and easy access. Manisehgal has designed an impressive TV support that can rotate up to 60 degrees in both directions, paired with a panoramic fireplace. This setup creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for a cozy binge-watching session. Crafted from warm wood and accented with brass hinges, the Flow wall desk is a marvel of minimalist design. At first glance, it appears as a sleek panel with flush vertical slats, blending seamlessly into the wall. But with a simple twist, it effortlessly unfolds into a functional tabletop, combining elegance with practicality. This 18th century safe is a true masterpiece of security engineering, centuries ahead of its time. Unlocking it isn't just a matter of turning a key. You'll need to navigate a precise sequence of multiple locks, each requiring a different key. Miss a step, and the safe remains sealed shut. Built from incredibly sturdy materials, it's practically indestructible, offering top-tier protection for valuables. And just when you think you've cracked its secrets, a hidden false bottom reveals an extra compartment. Any guesses on what this relic might be worth? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The Ludovico office will make you feel like a secret agent with its sleek, space-saving design. Incredibly compact yet highly functional, it blends seamlessly into any environment, transforming from an unassuming unit into a fully equipped workspace in seconds. Here are some fascinating furniture designs we think you'll love. Let us know which one is your favorite.